Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. Crude oil price keep rising to touch $82 barrier, reinforcing the expectation of continuing the bullish trend within the bullish channel that appears on the chart. Waiting to visit $82.89 and $84.60 represent our next target in upcoming trading session. The bullish trend will remain valid until price is trading above its key support of $79.70 and break below will act as a trend reversal. MCX crude oil price settle above 6,700 level to keep the bullish trend scenario valid and active for the upcoming period. Waiting to head towards 6,850 and 7,000 level in upcoming trading sessions. On the way down, key support hold at 6,550 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.